Hi guys, today we're at Thorndon Country Park. And we're here to have a look around things you can do here, including the Gruffalo Trail, the cafe, and some other cool things. Let's go! So we're currently on the Gruffalo Trail and I'm here with Holly.
Yes.
So hello Rob, to the camera.
Hello Sean.
He's vlogging as well, as you see. There's Emma today. Mum.
Hello.
Jessica.
Hello.
Hello. And we got Lily and Lexi. They're not going to pay attention.
No.
And we're here with the mouse. We're currently on the
Gruffalo Trail.
The Gruffalo Trail. In the Glaswegian Gruffalo, it's a moose.
It's a moose.
Moose.
A wee brown moose. There's a moose looks a bit this way.
It's a wee brown moose.
Brun.
What?
Brun.
Brun?
Not. Yeah, brun. Like broom with an N.
It won't be long, Sean, and you will have the accent.
No, have you ever heard his impersonation? It's atrocious.
What are you doing in my swamp, donkey?
I thought that sounded quite good.
So we're at Thorndon Country Park and we're on the Gruffalo Trail. As you can see, there's the squirrel. It's missing a hand.
He's got two nuts now though, so it's fine.
We gotta find
Rob made sure he had them.
She's just giving the squirrel its nuts. That's the end of the Gruffalo. If you see here, that's just where the cafe in the back of the cafe is. So it's quite easy to get around. A small little route, about 15 minutes I reckon, about 10-15 minutes if you want to get around it. Pay for about an hour's parking if you're staying here for a bit. But we're now going to have a look at what else is in the park. We're going to go for a little bit of a longer walk and try and get you a drone shot of the area. So stay tuned. This looks like a lovely area. Do you know what it's a lovely area for, Holly?
A picnic?
No? What about you, Rob? What's it look like a lovely area for?
Picnic.
No, I think it's a lovely area to fly my drone. Oh, you've got your drone as well, haven't you?
I have.
Friends.
Drone friends!
Yeah.
Let's fly the drones.
We find ourselves starting from scratch, brick by brick.
We're going to go on a nice, beautiful walk and I'm going to show you some scenic clips of the area. You're right there. Do you want to mock me anymore?
Well, normally you say you normally pick brilliant and then you stick to brilliant for the entire video, or it's great and it's great the entire video.
So what's wrong?
You like an adjective?
I like an adjective.
An adjective, singular, just one.
Right, so anyway, let's show you some cinematic clips.
Don't give up. Don't give up on love. I know that you're tired, my love, but please don't go. There's valleys and mountain tops
you for watching Thorndon Country Park video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, then you'll enjoy other videos on our channel, so make sure you subscribe and check out the Mersey video. It's right here. And I'll see you again soon.